know, it's almost like a project. You're doing this group project really, because there's so many different components of putting out content. You're literally doing the group project by yourself. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I go by RoseConcrete, and today I'm going to be sharing my top 3 lessons I've learned as a small YouTuber. Stay tuned. If you have made it this far and I still have your attention, go ahead and comment pineapple below. If you're a small YouTuber like me, you've probably seen lots and lots of videos of YouTubers who are giving us advice and tips on how to grow your channel, how to start your channel, how to get subscribers, how to increase your watch time. But if you look at their videos, they have like thousands of followers. So I figured I'd talk to you because we're growing together. Okay, we're gonna grow together. So my current sub count is 224. My next goal is to have 250 before August. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet and you've watched this far, I mean, go ahead and press the subscribe button. Go ahead and press the subscribe button, okay? Because I mean, why not? All right. So the very first lesson I learned is that watch time matters. I'm gonna say it one more time. Watch time matters. You have to increase your watch time. Watch time, honestly, it matters more than subscribers, because if you have all these subscribers and your watch time is really low and your goal is to be monetized, I mean, you have to have 4,000 watch hours. One more time. 4,000 watch hours. Watch time matters, okay? Don't take your watch time for granted. And the second lesson I learned is that you have to promote your channel and your videos like every day, all day. If you're not promoting your content, like nobody else is going to promote it for you. And YouTube does not care about promoting your videos. You have to promote your videos. You need to promote them on all of your social media platforms, and ask your friends and your family to promote your videos too. Like, send them a template and a link to your video and say, hey, can you post this on your page, on your Snapchat, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, put it in your story. Like, it matters, okay? Because you need more people to see your videos and to watch your videos. And like, how else are you gonna grow? How else are you gonna grow? You have to promote yourself. The last lesson I've learned since starting my YouTube channel is to record and edit ahead of time as much as possible, because I don't know about you, but I don't like to be crunched for time, knowing that I need to turn something in. You know, it's almost like a project. You're doing this group project really, because there's so many different components of putting out content. You're literally doing the group project by yourself, you know. So if you're one of those people that took on the task of doing the whole group project by yourself, kudos to you. Like, you'll be set for this. But for those of us who like to hold other people accountable, I'm now holding myself accountable, and I'm editing and recording and planning ahead of time. All right, so I do have a bonus lesson that I learned, and that is, it ties into recording and editing and staying ahead and, you know, comparing that to a group project. What nobody told me before I started this whole channel was that all of this is a job. Like, this is a full-time job. But like, I spend so much time editing and planning and recording that I figured I was just gonna record the video, edit it, and you know, it's only gonna take like 30 minutes to edit, and then I'm just gonna put it out. No, you have to edit. That can take anywhere, for me, because I'm just getting started, that can take from an hour to maybe 4 hours. You have to find, you know, the font that you want to use for your thumbnail to put your thumbnails together. Then you have to promote, and you're promoting. Hopefully you heard me earlier when I said you have to promote every day. Like, people should get tired of you promoting your channel, honestly. But yeah, YouTube, like, this is a job. This is a job, and I see why people monetize and start getting paid for it, because you put so much time and energy into this that, I mean, you should be paid for it if it's good content. If it's not good content, then what are you doing? If you are a new YouTuber like me and you would like to learn more from the perspective of another new YouTuber, go ahead and comment new YouTuber below, and I will definitely make that happen for you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you know someone who is interested in starting their YouTube channel or is like seriously or has already started their YouTube channel and needs to see this information, please share this with them so they can learn from me and not learn the hard way. Until then, remember to keep the faith wherever you are, because we're talking about YouTube channels today, wherever you are in your YouTube journey or your life journey, okay? You are fearfully and wonderfully made, and I will see you next time. Bye.